go.
How many bones I have?
You're still alive. I told you.
Like a song.
Go face down for me here.
Gotcha, thank you.
Lower neck here.
It's pretty good. Like my lighter.
Take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Good. Good.
I want to be more taller.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll see about that. Tuck the chin in here. Take a nice deep breath in for me. And then all the way out. Good. Whoa.
Like 1,000 bones.
Yeah, that was a big one.
Really?
You needed that one, huh?
I feel more lighter.
Good. I like these. I should make everybody wear these when I adjust them.
I have some of those too. They're so comfortable.
Kind of easy to adjust with. Like. Okay. All right. And then you'll face me on your side here. Oh, big one there too. Other side.
A lot.
Your eyes got wide. Yeah. One more. Good. On your back. We're just going to do very light. See, that feels okay there, right? Mm-hmm. We're going to do a little bit more.
New bones for me.
Yeah, we replaced them all.
I never cracked this place.
Never
No.
never had it in there
No.
before. Does that feel good this
Her,
time?
you're so good. You're perfect. You're the Lord of bones.
You're gonna make me blush.
No, really, really. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
I feel like baby.
You feel brand new, huh?
No more stress.
Come on up here. Good, good.
No
Well, that's
pain.
good.
No more stress. No pain.
Oh,
100% recommend.
good. I appreciate it.